Oh! Oh my God, who's this stranger? Who is that?
It's Vince at VF Media.
Vince at VF. What's up, Vince? Alright, so starting off this video with breaking news. We also discovered why the car was down on mile an hour.
The cow poked its own eye out.
It poked its own eye out. This is what happened on the line at the last race.
You could probably lean on that hard enough and just pull it off, honestly.
Yeah, I really could.
Actually don't, because... Oh, there it is.
If I want it to stay on there... Oh, God. Yeah.
Will you start it up and see what it sounds like?
Oh, it sounds like a
I
tractor.
would say it probably sounds like a tractor.
Oh, here we go.
You can tell it already, John.
Oh, God, dude, that's a bad break. Look at that.
Look at how it peeled.
It broke like...
It literally peeled it apart right here.
Yeah, it's
from both sides. Hey. Wastegate delete. Did you just pull that off? Yes.
Yeah.
I said, lean on it and see if it'll come off.
I did a dry hop in it earlier.
How'd it sound, like a tractor? It's like bop, 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 bop.
A little bit.
Yeah. A little bit. Yeah. Well, that's it.
Hey, what did you do for JB Will?
Well, thankfully we have Jason Brazzel here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, let's just give everyone an update. Jason got here earlier today. We just called him in. Oh, we got Vince here to do a photo shoot, by the way. Sorry, I'm so sidetracked, Vince. We're doing a photo shoot with Vince. Ben's over here. What are you, building a spark plug? And then we got the man, Jason Brazzel. Look at you. Look at those. Those are like high-dollar safety glasses.
Yeah, man, that's special.
We got you for a minute up here. By the time people see this, it'll already have been your birthday. How old are you? 22?
27.
27? Okay. All right. Well, hey, happy birthday, because everyone go and find Jason's last Instagram post and wish him a happy birthday.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? Oh my, look at that.
What in the world?
That is a large leaf blower that you got sitting down there. So you got here, what, noon?
Yeah, about 12 or 1 o'clock.
And we're redoing the turbo kit on this. And, oh, already made the exhaust. Wow.
Turbo's mounted. Most of the exhaust is done. Working on building the hot side for it now.
And you already built a turbo mount.
Yeah.
Exhaust is almost done. You just need to get the little finishing touches, and now you're doing the hot side.
Hopefully, Wednesday afternoon.
So turbo kits are really cheap from you because you get them done in like 6 hours, right?
Yeah, 7.5 years.
Well, this looks good. I'm sure we'll check in and see the progress. But this car here is getting a BPF turbo kit, so can't go wrong with that. And the cow is getting some BPF.
Yes, it's about to get some BPF love.
I just ripped the wastegate off it.
I can't take it no more. It's
I ripped the wastegate clean off.
yeah, so we're about to put some BPF light in that thing.
Damn. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's so Vince is over here. We're gonna do a photo shoot with the Bad Apple, and we're just going to let everyone know that it is a street car, and we're gonna drive it on the street. Look at this man over here. If you guys don't follow Vince on Instagram, they're sleeping, aren't they? Because Vince has the most fire Instagram. We're in an App State shirt. Are you like the lead photographer at App State? Oh, let's go. All right, you want to go down the road and we'll do a photo shoot with this thing? You want to drive separate because I only have one seat in it right now? All right, well, we'll just go right up here to this big open parking lot and we'll just take a photo sesh. All right, look at the 7-inch screen. Turn on the someone pulled my power. I hate when they pull my power. Holley EFI, fuel pump, water pump. God, you gotta love Holley. Let's turn our parking lights on and headlights on. And we're on the road. Streetcar. Doing streetcar things. the shifter. That's how you drive a street car. Look at it charging. I got turn signals somewhere. Right turn. Where do you want? Where? Do you want like parking lights on but headlights off?
Yeah.
How's that look, Vince? Here, help me get out of this thing. Take that first.
Help you get out of it.
I've been doing it with leaving the wheel on, so I feel like a fat kid. Ah. It's good for my house. Well, yeah.
Sick.
What you think, Vince?
First time seeing it. I've been out of the loop, dude.
You want to take pictures still?
No, I forgot. I just do videos now, dude.
All right, so if you guys want to see these badass pictures that Vince is taking, you got to follow him on Instagram. I'll link it over here. But Vince is...
He's got a big following.
He's like a samurai with the camera.
He is. Look at him.
Dude, you haven't seen the video. You haven't seen the video from the other night where every angle I had was like that? What do you have to say to yourself?
Out of here.
Oh my god.
Trying to run away at that point.
I should have cleaned the wheels up. Hey, can you Photoshop some V-series on the back?
Look at this.
Oh boy.
What's
The
PIR?
airplane in the back.
You know. Oh, he's gonna get the airplane in the back. He's just gonna Photoshop one in there.
It's gonna be like a Boeing. That's like a little biplane out there. It'll be like coming right over the top of the damn building.
Hey, go and lean up on it like a mini trucking. Get a photo like you're on the cover of 2003 Mini Trucking. No, you gotta put the hat on like this. Oh yeah, there you go, right over the eyebrows. Yeah, there you go, Vince. Just snag a picture. I'm freaking dead. I am so dead.
All right, now you gotta. Yeah.
Oh, here it is. This is the West.
Hold on, you gotta do the...
Feet up, feet up. Oh, there it is. I'm so dead right now.
No, you gotta get that photo.
Dude. Oh, God.
Oh my god, you're gonna be on a calendar.
Oh, God. Awesome photo shoot with Vince. He's over there somewhere, checking back in here. Ben's dirt bike here, and putting it all together from just a frame back to a running vehicle. Oh, almost ready?
Well, what is the first thing? I was all freaked out because I couldn't find a clutch cable. But there's this thing down here, like the little levers have like looks like a banjo bolt goes through it, like a brake line. I'm like, what in the world? So I start looking around. So there's this little slave cylinder, and there's this little guy that goes in the little clutch lever down there, and it like locks in. I'm like, huh. It's like a $500 like hydro clutch.
Really?
Yes, he's got.
Wait, so did you buy this thing on a box of pieces and everything like that, and you're putting it back together?
Yeah, I was looking for like a regular old like cable end, like old style.
Yeah.
It's got a freaking like $500 hydro clutch.
Wait, so when you bought this bike, what was it? Was it just a frame?
It was a roller, so it had a frame with all the fairings on it. The motor was in a box, halfway taken apart, with like a bunch of big oily tote, and yeah. So,
And now this is a less oily tote.
yeah, now it's a bike with a motor on it that rolls around and
Almost.
yeah.
Soon.
Still picking off little things like. I wonder if it's got a chain. I don't know. Maybe I ain't gonna buy one. Alright, how's that? Let's see this.
Johnny, you doing fab over here too?
A little bit. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, he's taking out of Colorado, dude.
Oh, keep your hands off my Colorado. Jason, that's our drag week truck for next year.
Well, we're doing it.
In the Colorado.
Yes, in Colorado.
All right.
With the LS Nasty hat, with the band on it.
So this is one of the sweet pieces that you make that go into the T6 flange. You did a badass job on the other one, which is like a super crazy cut and bend, and this one's right up there with it.
That's what I'm talking about. We gotta weld it all out.
God, that looks nice though.
Sorry.
God, do you actually know what you're doing? No. Off camera, I tell you everything what to do, right? Isn't that it?
That's it.
But that is how you make a 2 3-inch pipes fit into a T6 flange for a turbo kit. As you can see, the turbo's bolted to a T6 flange down there, and then these are some Flowtech headers. We run these on about everything. They're badass. They work great. It's another Holley product, and I mean, if it works great and it fits and it's simple, why not run it? And as you can see, this car here is also wired up with the Holley Terminator system per Ben. You got Terminator on here? Mm-hmm. And so it is Holley powered as well. So we actually we have two cars. This is on the Terminator and this is on Terminator. Wes's car is on Terminator. But we actually have never messed with one running. We've been building them all the time. So I'm excited. This thing should be running here in a week or so, and then we'll be able to mess with it and dabble in the Holley.
Yeah, who's ever seen a 15 Camaro that looks like this under the hood?
Yeah, seriously.
This is how this should come from the back.
Look at how clean it is. There's just Ben did a great job cleaning it up.
We'll have a little panel over there that covers up all these little holes in the firewall that rivets, seals with seam sealer, and then paint it all black and put up the firewall grommets and stuff.
It'll be nice. Let me see what we got so far. First bead laid down.
Yeah.
I did a really good job on it, huh?
Yeah,
Wait, hold it still. Let me get the focus in there. Oh, brother.
It's getting there.
Talked you well. All right, Ben and I just knocked out a 20-minute trans R&R, another 3 minutes, and Ben has it tore apart. Gear set look good though?
Gear set looks fine, but there's something coming out here.
What is that?
It looks like a seal. That's a pump, like a pump O-ring. Like this thing right here.
Look around it.
It's like this piece right here.
It's like dry rotted.
Yeah, it's like they left the old one in there as like a souvenir. This thing right here. That's like what?
No, that's thicker.
Yeah, it's thicker. Maybe like a lip seal. Like they might have put it together bad or wrong.
That Torrington bearing.
Yeah, that's Torrington bearing. Here's your reverse piston.
So, God,
it's coming out everywhere. It's like the reverse. It's the seal for the reverse piston. It's got to be. That's why reverse had weak pressure. It blew out, like somebody probably tore the seal. You know how
putting it in?
Yeah, you know how like the piston has a seal that goes around it?
Yeah.
And it sits down in the bore and then pressure from fluid gets behind it. That's why reverse always seemed weak. It's because it blew that seal out the first time we ever crunked it up.
Or prior.
Yeah, or prior.
But the parts that are in here are nice.
Because normally reverse never fails.
No.
Like reversed clutch pack.
And it's so weird to see it creep forward. Look at how smoked reverse is, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at there it is. There it is. You're exactly right. That's the seal. Yeah.
You never see freaking reverse fail. It's always either the band, which is low gear, or the high gear clutch pack.
High gear is smoked.
Unless you have something like this where somebody puts the seal in wrong and it does not seal.
All right, so what do I need to get for this? I need to get reverse clutches.
Yeah, a complete seal kit.
Complete seal kit.
Wedding ring looks alright. Oh wait, wrong hand.
A stock extra wide power glide band.
Yep. See what this pump looks like. Okay, so that looks okay. That's not like scored up or anything. You can't catch your finger on that. And then
how much easier is to tear down than a 400?
it's a lot easier. Come on. Give it to me. There we go. Okay, so
Pump's good.
pump's not in bad. Yep.
Gonna be 100% for this weekend. Reset the band and then go out there and make it happen. So, all right, that was good. That's gonna wrap today's video. Shout out to Ben. Hey, we knocked that out literally 20 minutes for the trans getting out, and then 15 minutes complete transmission teardown. Know what we need to get. How long did it take you to put it back together? An hour or two.
Hour or two. Yeah, we always take our time putting it back together.
And then
I'd say two and a half hours max. Just with the thing that takes the longest is cleaning. Everything.
Yep. Well, that's what we got George here for.
The clean man.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone go and hit up Jason because it's his birthday. And hope to see you guys out here this weekend. LS Nasty, 28, 275 class, Top Street. What else? Bracket race, bracket bash. What's the saying?
Ben, do you want to hit him with it?
What's that?
Hit me with the saying for this weekend.
Come on.
You better bring your cash.
No, close. Hit him with it, Wes.
Jason's gonna pay for the full seat, but he's only gonna be sitting on the edge.